it comes to AI assistants, first impressions do matter. Fortunately, we give you several different ways to configure how your assistant will greet your customers. To configure your greeting, just go to any of your AI assistants and click Edit. Now that we're on the agent page, you'll want to scroll all the way down until you see greeting mode. The first that we'll cover today is Assistant Speaks First. As you can see, it's built around a canned message. So this type of greeting is particularly ideal if you need standardization or consistency for your greeting message. In this case, you can see the brand has included a compliance message for their greeting. So let's go ahead and give that a try.
Thank you for calling Acme Financial Services. This call may be recorded for quality and compliance, and I'm here to help you get started.
It's important to note that even with the Assistant Speaks First, this canned greeting can still be personalized somewhat by any of the dynamic variables that you see here. The second greeting mode is Assistant Waits for User, which may be particularly appropriate for any kind of inbound calling. In this scenario, the user will speak first, and then the assistant will respond dynamically to whatever it is the user requests or asks for. The third greeting mode is Assistant Speaks First with model-generated message. Compared to Assistant Speaks First, which is built around a canned message, for this configuration, you just provide the general instructions and not the greeting verbatim. And then within this general framework, the AI assistant will create its own greeting for each call. So let's go ahead and give this a try.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Acme Financial Services. How can I assist you today?
As you can see from that example, it generated a greeting within the greeting behavior framework that I provided. With these three different greeting modes, you can choose the one that makes the most sense for your brand and use case, and you can make a first impression that truly counts.